Daka thong bah khmat e banyele kat bala banai ka jing sumar bat banya daya ki breu ki ba pangshini ki bala banyo ya ka jing pang diabetic retinopathy kaban kta ya ki blok khmat ne ki retina kashri sankardev netralaya guwahati bat ka meghalaya blindness control society shillong kala penlong ya ka screening diabetic retinopathy camp menha ka arpa khnai trek unailar hapos shillong civil hospital Haswa masadang ya ka jing ai jing sumar ya ki patba na ka banta bantes ya ka jing pangshini bat pang khmat kaladan gajing yelang ka bakurpang ban penshai bat pensothu ya ki patba halor kani gajing pang lingba ki doktor Jongashri Sankardev Netralaya Guwahati yang gani gajing yelang lawan ban play the chief secretary ka jilla Meghalaya uba PBO Waziri haringkat gajing danang u additional chief secretary ka jilla Meghalaya u White Tisering u medical director ka Shri Sankardev Netralaya u Dr Harsha Bhattacharjee u advisor ophthalmology cum member secretary ka MBCS u Dr MS Nonghulu bat kiwe uba Waziri habakran kum ukangsan ulai ka jingyaro ya kane ka kenhun kaba yeshim ya kane ka sinjam bante lakam ya kane ka jingpang bat ukhmi linti baling ba kum kini ki jaj program bakin long ka jingger khu ya ki patba nong song snong kari India.
This is the kind of commitment which I would like to see, and I know that if we have this kind of an approach and spirit, it's not that we can do well only in health services, but there are many other areas which we can do well, and I'm very sure that our country as a whole needs that kind of commitment in the various fields. So I would like to thank Dr. Bhattacharya and to thank the health department for organizing this, and I hope that this will definitely give the kind of you can say the awareness activities that we're doing, the camps which we are having will have an effect. Number one, creating more awareness not only among doctors and paramedical staff, but awareness also among the population. What we can do to prevent various kinds of illnesses.
Kanpana kalyang u Dr Harsha Bhattacharjee ulai thu bakidan bunjat kijing pangkman kum kijing pang nyangmat conjunctivitis kajing dina ha kabori kabaki khot ka refractive error kata ka myopia bat ka hyperopia bat kumju halwar ka jingpang shini ne ka diabetic retinopathy ka ban sakta ya ka khmat lada umla basumarang kloi nalor kani uloong bakidan hadu kumba 40% ie kibrio hakari India kidi gipayo ya ka jingpang blindness ya ka ba katanat ka kot ka khya jongkari India kalalap Shushu uloong baka jingpang diabetic retinopathy kadai ka bakta bahaya kibrio kipladan south namshining bat ka dankam yaki bakin one check up shisien chisnam khrang banyada yaladi na kani ka jingpang nalor kani ul akintu baki dei banshem yaki lat kilinti banyada yaka bat ban hikai yaladi bakin yat kai step bat ban bam yaki jingbam ki batei yakamen bat ru ka jingbam yang por.
Ideally, every individual above 40 years of age, at least once a year, they should check their blood sugar. If the blood sugar is high or a non-diabetic, everybody should check up their eye every year, once in a year, to detect diabetic retinopathy and to get the treatment done, particularly the laser treatment to prevent diabetic blindness. And it is effective in 95% situation. But if the disease advances, then so many other treatments are required and the disease result may not be very satisfactory. So, prevent diabetic retinopathy, early detection of diabetic retinopathy and treatment, laser treatment, these are the main armamentarium for control of the diabetes blindness.